Ever felt like your finances are scattered across 1,000 different apps and platforms? You've got your checking account over here, your investment portfolio way over there, and maybe a few savings accounts floating around in the digital ether. It's like trying to herd cats, right? You're constantly logging in, transferring money, and trying to keep track of it all. What if there was a way to consolidate, to bring everything under one roof, and to make it all work together seamlessly? That's where platforms like M1 come in. They aim to be that central hub, your financial command center. But, to truly unlock its potential, you need to connect your bank account. It's the gateway, the bridge that allows your money to flow freely. Now, you might be thinking, linking my bank account? Sounds complicated, and honestly, a little scary. And you wouldn't be alone. Security is paramount, and the idea of giving another platform access to your hard-earned money can be daunting. But here's the thing, in today's digital age, these connections are becoming increasingly common and, when done correctly, incredibly safe. We're talking about the same technology that powers countless other financial apps you probably use every day. Think about it, when you pay for groceries with your phone, you're essentially linking your bank account to a payment system. So, the question isn't if you should link your bank account, but how to do it securely and efficiently. Today, we're going to break down the process of linking your bank account to M1, step by step. We'll demystify the process, address any concerns you might have, and show you just how easy it can be. We'll also touch on some of the security measures in place to protect your information. Let's start with the basics. Why would you even want to link your bank account to M1? Well, M1 is designed to be a comprehensive financial platform, offering everything from investing to borrowing to spending. By linking your bank account, you can fund your investment portfolio, easily transfer money from your checking account to your M1 Invest account to buy stocks and ETFs. Utilize M1 Spend, access M1's checking account features, including debit card spending and direct deposits. Enable M1 Borrow, leverage your investment portfolio to borrow money, with funds drawn directly from your linked account. Automate your finances, set up recurring transfers and deposits to streamline your savings and investment strategies. Essentially, linking your bank account unlocks the full potential of M1, allowing you to seamlessly manage your finances in one place. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How do you actually do it? Step 1. Log into your M1 account. Whether you're using the M1 app on your phone or accessing the platform through your web browser, the first step is to log into your account. This is your gateway to all of M1's features. Step 2. Navigate to the Transfers or Funding section. The exact location of this section might vary slightly depending on whether you're using the app or the web version, but it's usually found in a menu or settings area. Look for options related to transfers, funding, or linking external accounts. Step 3. Select Link a Bank Account. Once you've found the Transfer section, you'll see an option to link a new bank account. Click on this option to begin the process. Step 4. Choose your bank. M1 typically uses a third-party service like Plaid or similar to securely connect to your bank account. You'll be presented with a list of popular banks. If your bank is listed, select it. If not, you may have the option to search for it. Step 5. Enter your bank login credentials. This is where many people hesitate. You'll be asked to enter your online banking username and password. It's important to understand that M1, through its third-party service, uses secure encryption to protect your credentials. They do not store your login information. Step 6. Select the account you want to link. Once you've entered your login credentials, you'll be presented with a list of your accounts at that bank. Choose the checking or savings account you want to link to M1. Step 7. Verify your account. In some cases, you may be asked to verify your account through a two-factor authentication process. This could involve receiving a text message or email with a verification code. Enter the code to confirm your account. Step 8. Confirm the link. After verifying your account, you'll be asked to confirm the link. Review the information carefully and ensure that you've selected the correct account. Once you're satisfied, click Confirm or Link. Step 9. Wait for verification. M1 will then verify the link, which usually takes a few seconds or minutes. You may see a message indicating that the verification is in progress. Step 10. Start using your linked account. Once the verification is complete, you can start using your linked bank account to transfer funds to and from M1. Now, let's address some common concerns. Security. As mentioned earlier, M1 uses secure third-party services like Plaid, which employ industry-standard encryption to protect your information. M1 does not store your bank login credentials. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security. You can unlink your bank account at any time. Troubleshooting. If you're having trouble linking your bank account, double-check your login credentials. Ensure that your bank supports third-party connections. Contact M1 customer support for assistance. Alternatives. If you're still uncomfortable linking your bank account directly, some platforms offer alternative funding methods, such as wire transfers or ACH transfers. However, these methods may have fees or longer processing times. Tips for a smooth process. Make sure you have your online banking login credentials readily available. Ensure that your bank account has sufficient funds for any transfers you plan to make. Review the terms and conditions of M1 and its third-party service providers. If you are unsure of anything, contact M1 customer support. Linking your bank account to M1 is a crucial step in maximizing the platform's potential. It allows you to seamlessly manage your finances, automate your savings and investments, and take advantage of all that M1 has to offer. While it's understandable to have concerns about security, the process is designed to be safe and efficient. Remember, this is about simplifying your financial life, bringing everything together in one place, and empowering you to take control of your money. By following these steps and addressing any concerns, you can confidently link your bank account to M1 and unlock a world of financial possibilities. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.